What is going on, everybody? I'm on my way into town right now, and I thought I'd make a quick video, a little bit of an update situation. Alright, so for those of you who don't know or don't follow my Instagram or my channel, I've ordered a custom car, and as of April 8th, I think it is, 8th or 9th, it's born. My car was physically made. So my car actually exists in the world now, but it'll probably be a little while before it gets here because it has to, I don't know, get transported here and all that fun stuff. So yeah, quick car update. Also, I have some new fairings coming in for the bike. This is bright blue. This is a bright blue Suzuki, so I painted it black, obviously, black and red. And that's, it's not my thing to have a blue bike, so that's why I plasti dipped it. But it got knocked over and it scratched it up kinda, and I re-plasti dipped the parts that got scratched up to kind of hide it, but you can still see it up close. And also every now and then I do have to come back and keep re-plasti dipping it because like certain parts will peel, or like I'll scrape it or rub my leg against it and it'll kind of peel. So I don't want to keep coming back and re-plasti dipping it and feeling like a perfectionist all the time, having to come back and keep doing it over and over. So I did order some new fairings. They're kind of cheap, not the cheapest though, but hopefully they work well, and I'll review them and stuff when they come in. But yeah, that's really all I got. I wanted to kind of run the camera while I go into town, just in case I see an idiot or something weird happens, I can catch it on film. And it is a beautiful day. I'm so excited to be able to actually get out and ride today. So yeah, I went to Caffeine and Octane for April, and I got some cool pictures. Not a ton of them, but I'll add those pictures to the end of this video. And those are all taken with my camera. So hope you guys enjoy those. And I guess if anything else weird or bad happens, I'll throw it in this video. Oh man, there's loose grass on the road. Not cool. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video and enjoy some pictures of cars if that's your thing. Peace.